The prototyping paradigm. The prototyping paradigm offers the best approach for human machine interaction. Ideally, prototype serves as a mechanism for identifying software requirements. The prototyping approach is often called as throwaway prototyping. By using this approach, there is a rough demonstration of the customer's requirements, that is, the prototype used in demonstration is just a throwaway prototype. If working, the prototype is built, the developer can use software tools if required, example report generation. This produces working program quickly, thus prototype can be served as a first system. So under prototype you have communication, then you have quick design, then you have modeling quick design, construction of the prototype, deployment, feedback and delivery. So number 1 is communication. The software prototyping paradigm starts with the communication between the customer and the developer. The software engineer, who is the software engineer? The developer, and the customer, they meet regularly to define the overall objective of the desired software and identify its requirements. The customer and the software engineer will meet regularly to define the overall objective for the software. So of the desired software, they have to understand the overall objectives and identify its requirements. Quick design, it focuses on those aspects of the software that are visible to the customer. It includes clear input, output formats and human-machine interaction. Third is modeling quick designs. The model of the software is now built that gives clear idea of the software to be developed. This enables the developer to better understand the exact requirements. So modeling quick designs means the model will now be available for the developer to understand the requirements clearly. Construction of a prototype. The concept of modeling the quick designs leads to the development of the prototype. The construction of the prototype is deployed by the customer and is evaluated by the customer itself. So now the construction of the prototype will be deployed by the customer and the evaluation will also be done by the customer itself. Deployment, delivery and feedback. As the picture of the software to be built is very clear, customer can give his suggestions as feedback. If results is satisfactory, the model is implemented. Otherwise, the process is repeated to satisfy customers' all needs. So we have this circular form of a diagram. Why? Because if the customer is not satisfied, then again it will go to the communication phase. This arrow means if the first iteration, after the first iteration, customer is not satisfied, then again go back to the communication phase. And again do the model, again build the model. Merits. Prototyping makes requirements more clear and system more transparent. Whereas what are the demerits? The software developer generally compromises in the quality to get the working prototype quickly. Due to this reason, sometimes inappropriate operating system or programming language will be selected.